Welcome to our channel, where we are going to explore Palawan province in the Philippines. My wife, my mom, and I will be sharing with you our experience in the Palawan for the very first time. Our journey starts in Coron town on the island Busuanga. In this video, we have decided to take a land tour and see what we can see. So let's the journey begin. We began by renting a tricycle with a driver and headed east of the town for some exploration. The first stop was a little boat tour in Siete Pecados.
Good morning, everyone! So we're here in Coron, Palawan, in Siete Picar, and one of the islands. It has a cave and a water tavern. So let's go! Oh, wow! This is a water tavern inside a cave here in Siete Picar.
Okay. So you can dive in.
It looks like I'm holding my breath.
O,
Yeah,
no tu się Marcin śmieje.
Yeah.
Dobra, teraz ja sobie tam stanę.
Is it deep there?
No, I don't feel the ground.
Okay, so it is deep.
Uh-huh.
Yes, nice.
After the water excursion in Siete Picados, we went more to the east to look around in Cabo Beach.
Wow.
To błoto, no. To jest błoto. Now we start from the end because I
Yes.
didn't record. Okay, so we are in the
Makinit Hot Springs.
Makinik Hot Springs.
Makinit.
Makinit.
Makinit,
I
yes.
see there is written.
Yeah. Oh, bird! Baby, not sure what that is. Nice.
Chapla meva, seagull or something.
Yeah, it could be an eagle, but we will see eagles
Seagull.
in a seagull. I thought eagle. You said sea.
Eagle,
Okay.
seagull, seagull, eagle.
No, gorąco. Nie wiem, czy się nie ugotujesz w tym.
Told you it's hot. That's why I want to come here late.
Dupa ci się nie smaży. Potem już fajnie, nie?
Fajnie.
Gorko.
So, how is it?
It's hot for me, but it's manageable. Yeah, for a long time.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. No. Yeah, it's kind of better now. So hot here, babe. It's like My skin is burning.
Yeah. So we landed in this pool, which is a hot spring, and I see the bottom of it is black, so it's probably volcanic rock or something.
Yeah.
The weather's hot, water's hot, my wife is hot.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going out. I have enough. I've been for too long in this pool. After that, we drove the bumpiest road in the world back to Coron town to climb the popular hill and watch the sunset. Bang, 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 bang. Okay, let's buy some water.
Just small one, I guess. Yeah.
Bierzesz wodę?
Jeszcze jedną, no.
No weź, bo ja kurde zostawiam
Ate, magkano?
Mała?
Mała,
25. Dalawa, malamig.
Zimna?
2. The baby get 2.
Okej, dwie małe.
Sorry, Bobby.
Yeah, I have one hand only.
It's 25 pesos anyway, so.
25 peso.
Yes.
Okay.
25 each, so ate. Ah! Eee! Ah!
Cold money.
Ate, thank you.
So we are here at the Mount
Tapias.
Tapias.
Going up Mount Tapias.
Yes, we have to go up 77.
720 steps.
I wanted to say 720 pesos. Yes, we go 720 pesos up.
Okay. Going up.
Hi.
Hello. Oh, you baby, going up. First 100. First 100, yeah. Mount Tapias, one of the famous landmarks here in Coron, Palawan, which has 720 steps.
And we are about the middle of the way.
Yeah. Going up.
W którą stronę? Lewo czy prawo? Left or right?
It's up to you.
Right.
Right, okay, right.
One,
1, 2,
two,
3,
three.
go. And baby, get your one. And we end with the cross. Capture the cross, baby. Going up.
Ale pięknie.
Send it to your brother.
Pięknie, pięknie. Mogę to powiedzieć?
Yeah.
To dobrze, bardzo mi się cieszę.
Okay.
Almost Coron, but still Oron. Only Oron. Let's go down to see the Coron. Still only Oron. No Coron.
It's okay
O,
for now.
już można by było zrobić. No, tu.
But it's Oron, not Coron. Okay, now it's
no.
Coron.
Tu widać tak
Koron.
słabe, ale coś tam widać.
Hi guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Dzięki.